Here are some craziest moments you won't believe if it were not recorded. The waiter's heart surely dropped in an instant when a pitcher of water breaks and spills all over the customers. Luckily, they all have a laugh about it in the end. A boy pulled off what is likely one of the toughest and impossible shots in bowling. This is basically how all engineers solve their problems, smacking it until it works normally again. A piece of raw meat crawled off the table at some restaurant as if it had decided that it was not the day it would be eaten. A deer took revenge on a ram who had come to pick a fight with him. A chef got scared out of his wits when a guy did a harmless prank on him.
The water. No! Oh,
It's fake.
yo, don't fucking do this.
A guy had a brilliant idea to bring out the rats in his walls by releasing a snake inside of it.
Sí, es más natural, pero tapando. Ahí viene otra. Ahí está, dos. Cuidado, que te traigan la silla. Teniente. Ahí estás. ¿Qué andabas haciendo? Entonces.
A lady effortlessly broke a stool into pieces as she casually sat on it at a store. This guy experienced one of the fears that most people have, getting stuck in a turnstile. Later he had to call the cops to get him out.
Right here forward, and I thought, okay, I'll just go through here and then walk out there. This thing doesn't move, and neither does this thing moves, but this thing doesn't, and I can't push it back. Being trapped in like a cage. I guess I have to like call the police. I don't know what to do. I can't fit through here. Yeah, I can't. What the hell?
When you don't check both sides before crossing the road, you may be run over by a speeding dog like this. This couple was so into it that they didn't realize there was a third hand involved. The ball at another hole than where he aimed at. His looks at the end says it all. A man showed his extraordinary coordination by not only riding a bicycle with no handle but also parking it without using his hands. I would have shed my pants too if this had happened to me. This lady was having a nice day swimming when out of nowhere a kid jumped on top of her and knocked the wind out of her.
Oh my god.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.